Hello traders, hope you're doing well. Today both Nifty and Bank Nifty opened with a nice gap up. But Nifty at the initial stage, it started to show some bearishness, but Bank Nifty was holding this level. Now if you remember in my yesterday analysis video, I had discussed if Bank Nifty breaks this upper zone, only then we'll be focusing on call option trade. Below this zone, avoid any trade. In Nifty also the logic was same. Only if this level breaks, we'll be looking for call option trade. Today morning in private telegram group, this is the first thing I highlighted. Resistance zone as of now. Later, I shared important support and resistance level both for Nifty and Bank Nifty. Now, since Bank Nifty was holding on to the upper level, I said if day high breaks, we can look into call option trade with small stop loss. Now, after Bank Nifty breaking the day's high, there was continuous momentum towards the upside and it reached our resistance zone. This is what I said. If the first 5 minutes candle breaks, only then we'll be looking at call option trade with small stop loss. Next for Nifty, expectation was since it is facing resistance and moving towards the downside, either from this area it can correct or this area. As long as this resistance break, I was not that confident about from where Nifty can reverse. Either Nifty can stay bearish to sideways, Bank Nifty can slowly start moving towards the upside. That is why focus was in Bank Nifty. Around 9:26 I have informed. Nifty is slightly bearish. Bank Nifty is near day's opening. If Bank Nifty breaks day's high and move up, Nifty can follow and reverse. So please be very careful. As per our expectation, Bank Nifty was moving towards the upside. I had informed 52,500 is a next hurdle level. Around 9:46 I have said as much as I want Bank Nifty to reach the resistance after breaking 52,500, we need to understand that market can reverse. So ensuring that our risk is managed and stop loss has to be small as per our capacity. At many times when target 1 was achieved, whoever wants please exit, I said. Why did I say this? I'll just give you an example about crypto trade. Yesterday if you see, this was my target. For many people, when market achieved 1:5 itself, I said don't worry about me. If you want, you exit. Yesterday what happened? Without reaching my target only in crypto, nice momentum towards the downside it made. Anyways, cost to cost I exited from the market, so no problem for me. Whoever exited here, they would have made very good profit. That too around 1:5 risk reward, close to 500-700 points move. So as and when possible, it is my responsibility and duty to inform. Please take care of your risk capacity because each person's risk capacity is different. So when continuation was happening, whoever wanted, they could have booked their profit. So when market was about to reach our resistance, I said trail. Bank Nifty gave a moment of close to 226 points from the time of our entry. Later my expectation was from the upper level, Bank Nifty will reverse. In free telegram channel also you can see same time I have forwarded all the messages. So as long as Bank Nifty breaks the resistance, retest and shows continuation, not interested in call, my first trade is done as per the setup. I'm not going to plan for second trade. Why? Because above this resistance my expectation is market can either stay sideways or it will move towards the downside. So no confidence in taking second trade. Now important news update for today is Nifty has given a nice positive move. Even Bank Nifty, one of the main reason is Reliance and HDFC Bank. So these stocks were major contributor for today's market movement, and today we could see rupee decline and it hit a record low of 84.75. This is the record low for Indian currency against dollar. This is a negative news for us. But if you see the global influence or the Asian market sentiment, we could see Tokyo, Shanghai, Hong Kong, even they were trading higher, contributing to positive sentiment to our Indian market. Now, one more thing which boosted the market sentiment is Federal Reserve's expectation. Comments from US Federal Reserve officials about potential rate cut. So when people say there is a potential rate cut, this will boost people's confidence. Apart from this, domestic institutional investors would have tried to hold the market at the upper level. Anyways, beginning of the month, they would have bought more stocks. Many people monthly SIP for mutual funds and all those things, that money DIIs would have invested in the stock market. So these were some of the reasons as per what I see online is the reason for market to move towards the upside. But me personally, I'm not that confident about the movement which is happening in the market because many things we are seeing around us like unemployment, GDP data, inflation going up, all of these things are negative. We don't know why the market is going towards the upside, but since we are intraday traders, whatever opportunity based on price action, stop loss hunting we get, we try to capture it. Now let's quickly discuss about what kind of trading opportunities we have for tomorrow. Traders, what you're looking at right now is a chart of Nifty 30 minutes time frame. I've taken this time frame so that I can explain the market sentiment better. You see I marked this orange zone. This zone is very important because this is where Nifty is always facing resistance and moving towards the downside. Nifty has closed near this resistance zone itself, and it is very close to 24,500 range, which is a psychological level. Now if you look at option chain data, a lot of call option writers are sitting at 24,500, considering this level as important resistance. Price action, there is a saying that if a resistance level has been tested many times, if we get a breakout, there is a possibility of trend continuation. But I personally feel immediately tomorrow, if market opens with a big gap up, gives a breakout, there is a high chance that it can correct first, later continue the trend. That is why at this breakout, I'm not interested to take a call option trade immediately. For the first 45 minutes to 50 minutes, or let's say until 10 a.m., it is better that we wait and see how market is reacting and if it is holding on to this zone. Later, if I get a breakout, then with small stop loss, I'll be looking for opportunity towards the upside. Directly when market opens with a gap up, if I think about entering the trade, the chances of getting trapped can be high. That is why I want to avoid taking immediate trade at this breakout. I hope you have got clarity about this. Let me switch to 15 minutes time frame. Now on this 15 minutes time frame chart, you can see I've drawn a trend line because this has been acting as a good supporting zone. And this level I have marked because previously this was resistance where market moved towards the downside. Once this level was broken, this area can act as support. Call option writers are sitting at 24,500 and put option writers are more confident near 24,400 and 24,300 zone. So for many people, it would be better to wait for any kind of breakout at the zone to plan for call option trade. But if you want to take a risk, what we can do, we can wait for the market to correct. Here, if it is forming any bullish breakout setup here, we can place stop loss. From here, we will try to capture the DS high first. From here, market can continue the trend. So we can keep trailing our stop loss at this zone. In case market opens with gap down, it is holding on to this range, later giving a breakdown. Then here with small stop loss, we'll plan for put option trade. Our final target towards the downside would be this. Why final target will be this? Because market is continuously moving towards the upside. Even in the past you can see. So this can be a slight correction before the trend continuation can happen. That is why small target we can plan and close our trade. If market comes to this zone, again we can be looking for any bullish setup towards the upside. So we can plan for call option trade here. So this is my view about Nifty as of now. Tomorrow morning view can change. That is why in our free Telegram channel, we will be sharing pre-market report. If you are interested, you can scan the QR code to join the group. Now let's discuss about Bank Nifty. Traders, this is Bank Nifty chart 15 minutes time frame. Here I marked the zone because previously this is where Bank Nifty fell. Again today, market has respected this level 2 times, right? It is trying to form a M pattern. Now many people considering this area as a resistance, they would have thought about entering a put option trade. Now tomorrow, let's say we draw a trend line here. If it opens with gap down and starts moving towards the downside, many people again they will think about entering put option trade. People who entered put option trade at the upper level, they would have not seen very big profit, right? They might hold on to their trade. But please note, this looks like a cup and market can form a handle. Now this is a bullish cup and handle pattern. Usually, the length of this cup can be the target towards the upside. One more interesting observation is quickly buyers have pushed the market towards the upside. Now from swing low to swing high, if you draw the Fibonacci, market is trying to hold on to this range. Tomorrow market can go below 52,500 also, but if it goes, many people will be entering put option trade again. But after this continuous move, we know buyers are strong. They can push the market towards the upside. That is why, let's say I'm getting any breakout setup like this. When market goes above 236 level zone in the future with small stop loss, I'll be looking for call option trade. At least this area we can consider as the first target. If the trend continues, market can reach even 53,000 psychological level. That is why we'll keep trailing our stop loss. In between, if market opens within this range, it is better that we keep quiet because market might be forming a handle before a bullish breakout. In case market opens with bigger gap down, then the next supporting zone is this area, 0.5 level. The buyers who are here, again, they can push the market towards the upside. From here, we can expect a reversal. So this is my view about Bank Nifty at this point of time. Now, if you enjoyed this analysis, share your support by liking the video and subscribing to the channel. If you think this content will be useful for your friends, please share it with them. Now that's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.